Hello my friends, welcome back to another video of Broski. Today in this video, if you just want to turn your MacBook to Android TV, you have to follow my video instruction. First of all, just open any browser you're using in your MacBook, so you can type here Android studio. So once you just got the result, I'm in the Android studio, just click on the first link on the top and you will get in this official website of Android studio. So click over here to get the setup of this application. So you can see we're gonna accept this one, and you can see this make with Apple chip or make with Intel chip. Which one is your MacBook? Just download the right one. After you download and install it to MacBook, just open it and let me show you how to turn your MacBook to Android TV. So I'm just gonna click on the project and then I go here on television, so empty activity, then next. You can rename your project. For example, just gonna type your Android TV, then finish it. And after that, you can see we got this page, and we can just click over here to add a new device, virtual device, and you can choose the TV from here. And you're gonna choose the resolution of the TV you just want to create here on your MacBook. So you can see we got the setup. You need to download the setup. When you click on finish, it will turn automatically by itself, and you can see my TV is ready when I just launch it. And here you can see this is Android TV just got here on our MacBook. So time to try the Play Store of this TV. Let me sign into my Gmail account here. So I got it here in Play Store, and I'm just going to type here my Gmail address, and once I just signed in my account, you can see I can download any TV application to my MacBook, and this is super amazing. So for example, I'm just going to install HBO Max stream to my MacBook. Once it has been installed, just going to click to open, and you can, if you have an HBO Max account, you can just accept and sign into your account to watch HBO Max movies. So you can download any application of Android TV in your MacBook, and this is super amazing. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button. See you until next quick tutorial videos. Bye bye my friends, peace.